When we use a computer, one of the tools that we have available is Desmos, which is a free graphing calculator. You would go into your address bar up here and type desmos.com, just that, and then it would search out and it opens up in this site. So you might want to write that down, desmos.com. Now on our calculators at school, on our computers, they have this built in, and it's one of the little address bars that pop up when you open it. And you can select that. You can have two screens opened up. So we're going to start graphing. This is what comes up. Now over here, and we're using this to feature some of the things we'll be doing in class. We're asked to put in, for example 5, x plus 2y equals 4. Now note this is in standard form, and it's already giving us the graph. There's the y-intercept right there. But we're going to go over to the point underneath, and I can move that over a little bit here. Here we go. So we see it right there. Click there. Now my second equation is x minus y. So I type that in. X minus y equals -2. Now notice as I put that in, the second line formed. And you see they are intersecting at 0, 2. So this is a point in which the red line, which stands for the first graph, and the blue line, which stands for the second graph, and these are equations, intersect. So this ordered pair, 2, 0, is a solution for both. And this is a good tool to check your work. Now, if we went in there and replaced this, and replace this one with, let's say, slope-intercept y equals 2x plus 3. Now, notice there is your plus 3, which is the y-intercept. And if you went over 1, 2, up 2, that would give you another point. That's 2 over 1. So the run is 1, the rise is 2. And let's see, actually these are in halves. So it'd be over 1, up 2. Over 1, then up 2 would be this point right there. So let's put in a second equation where we have y equals 2x all by itself. Now as you look at this, you see there is no y-intercept, but it goes through 0 and it's over 1 up 2. And the blue line and the green line now you can see are parallel, so there wouldn't be any solutions. And again, a good tool for graphing. I'll keep this under 5 minutes.